In today's video, I'm going to survive in the desert and I will eat whatever I found. I have nothing to eat, so it's going to be very interesting video. So let's start the video. I am walking from 2.5 hours and it's very hot out there and it just could not be able to run smoothly. My feet is absolutely hot. Hot sand is everywhere in my feet, in my shoes. So we have to find a place where we can survive. And I'm searching for water. I'm searching for water from a long time, and there you go. This dog is looking at me and want to attack on me. So it's better to go from here, and I just found some water to drink. Guys, this maize crop is very amazing, and you can just see that it's fully grown up. I just want to pick one of the corn stick. Let's just see, is that ready or not? Yes, that is absolutely ready. We can pick it up, and in this lot of protein is available, which is so essential to survive in the desert. It's very hot and I just want to found a place where we can survive. So the sand is so hot. I'm just looking forward that tree which is absolutely straight. I just want to visit over there. If everything is good over there, so we will surely hang over there and we will make our shelter. Just see that this place is absolutely a paradise, and as you can see that everywhere there's no trees, just like these, and there is so many birds up on the tree, as you can see that. So that is also a good sign we can survive over there. And there's you guys, I don't think that we will find any better place than this, so I'm just going to stick over there. So guys, we just found a place to live, but we don't have anything to sleep on. So we are going to make a bed in the desert to happily survive. I just saw a big grass over there, so which is very good sign. So we can make a bed from that grass. We can sleep on that nicely and comfortably. So these are the grass which I am looking for. So there is also a big risk of desert snakes, which is very dangerous, and they are ambushing over here for the insects and lizards. So we will have to take grass for making our bed, and there you go. We just get grass, whatever we just found, and that is quite enough to make a comfortable bed for the night, to survive over there, because it's so hot. The sand is absolutely so hot, we cannot sleep on straight on the sand. That's going to be very effective. And now it's time to make a pillow of the desert. There is nothing to make anything like pillow, so we just have to find something soft which can convert into a beautiful pillow. As you can see that this type of grass, dead grass, is very effective and can be used as pillow. Oh god, what is it? That is a normal teddy bear. Just at start this teddy bear just frightened me, but that is a normal teddy bear. We will take it too as a new friend. Now it's time to make a pillow, which is very simple. Take some, yeah, there you go. That is final look of the pillow. Let's put this on the bed, and we will make a guard which can look around for any danger. So the bed is absolutely comfortable, and now guys, we have to found we have to see in the back what we just have. uh, there is only a single corn stick, as you can see that. So let's see, open it, what we just got. Is that fully grown up or not? There you go guys, there you go. That is absolutely a feast, that is absolutely full of nutritions. This is going to be very helpful in that sort of conditions while we are surviving in the desert. So let's see anything else. I just hope that I might get more things as I just got, because I just only got a single thing, which is corn and nothing. A water bottle, uh, nothing. That is jaggery guys. That is another lottery. We just found all jaggery, which is going to be very helpful. We can use it as a dessert, and there is something more guys, which is going to be very helpful in that sort of conditions. That is guys, flour, wheat flour, which is going to be very helpful. So let's make a juice of it, of this jaggery. And now time to put wheat flour into it and mix it very well for making a sweet bread. So just this is it. So we have to do anything for living, because there is no one who can help you out there. So we have to do it by own. Now it's time to make mud stone stove. So there is nothing to make stove, but we can use that sort of stone of mud as a stove, which is going to be very effective. And as you can see that there is a wind running from my left side to right side, and I'm just build this stove right in front of a brick. There is another problem guys, we don't have any firewood, so we have to collect it. So we have to also arrange for that, which is very difficult but not impossible. There you go, we found something to burn, and there is one more, and there is dead grass too, which can easily help, which can be useful for the fire. So that is going to be very helpful making a stove. So now just let's start the fire guys. Let's put the pan on the stove and make it hot. Now grease up. The wind is so high, the wind is so strong, as you can see that fire is running so strong. Let's start cooking guys, because I'm just so hungry, so hungry. It will take some time, but it will be a very delicious feast. Guys, I'm not going to waste any fire because we don't have any excess of firewood. So I'm going to use this corn. So I'm going to cook this corn straight after cooking my bread. So uh, our bread is almost ready. One side is absolutely ready. So let's flip it. There you go, guys. Feast is ready. Now it's time to cook corn. It will cook nicely. It's so hot, guys. Let's taste up. Oh, it's so hot, guys. That is absolutely a feast. Guys, a jungle and desert is a type of place where we always not find a delicious food. So we will have to find anything edible. Let's taste out corn. Wow, guys, that is so delicious. That is so delicious. It tastes so sweet, guys. I did not expect that it tastes that much sweet, and that is absolutely another adding a dessert into the uh, lunchtime. Guys, the animal which is inside the hole is very intelligent. He just flip a sand on any animal which is hovering around him, and make this animal his own food. He is very dangerous, guys. We had lunch, guys. Now it's time to arrange something for the dinner, and we don't have anything, but we have that blueberries, but these are green ones. I just want blue ones. Maybe we find, hopefully we find some of them. There you go, I just found. Awesome, guys, that is so delicious. Now I have to found some more. I just found a huge tree of blueberries. uh, just there you go, that is absolutely filled up with blueberries. I just want to pick every blueberry for survive because I don't have anything to eat anymore. What we have in the bag is empty. Now I have to collect everything what we just got. There is enough blueberries. Now we have to make a sweet tea of that blueberries. As you can see that the tea is absolutely ready. Now just put it into the cup. There you go, guys, blueberry tea. mm, Guys, that is so hot, and that is so sweet and salty too, because we haven't add anything sweet into it. So it tastes very good, and it is guys, it's time to have some rest. The sun is about to set. Tell me, if you survive in the desert, what is the most important thing which will you keep in your bag always?